Close your eyes, sit up straight, and take a deep breath. Today, we're going on a journey together. We are going to begin with 3 slow, intentional breaths. And with every inhale, I want you to place your awareness in the center of your brain. So inhale deeply through your nose, hold it, and let it go. Focus on the center of your brain, the space inside your mind. Breathe in again, hold it, and let it go. Again, inhale deeply through your nose, hold it. Rest your awareness in the center of your brain. And exhale. One more time, we're shifting energy. Inhale through your nose, hold it. Now place your awareness in the center of your head. Hold your breath. And exhale through your mouth. Now allow your awareness to settle into the center of your head. Let every other thought pass by like leaves floating down a river. No resistance, no judgment. Simply place your awareness in the center of your mind. Now slowly move your focus down to the center of your throat. Rest your awareness there, on that quiet space in the center of your throat. Let all other thoughts dissolve as you place your attention, your energy, and your presence there. Now slowly, gently, move your focus down into the center of your heart. Place your awareness on the space behind your breastbone, on your beautiful heart that has been beating for you every single second of your life. Your heart has never abandoned you. Your heart that continues loving you, sustaining you, and keeping you alive in this very moment. Place your energy there. Place your intention there. Place your awareness there, and simply breathe. Now bring your awareness to your breath itself. The air flowing in and out of your body, breathing in and breathing out. Oxygen is everywhere on this planet. It surrounds you completely, giving life to your cells every second of every day. You did not have to earn it. You did not have to prove yourself worthy of it. It was given freely by your Creator. There is abundance all around you. Breathe that in. Now place your awareness on the sun in the sky, the warmth of the sun, the energy of the sun, the life-giving power of the sun. The sun shines on oceans, mountains, forests, animals, and people, including you. You did not have to earn the sunlight. It was gifted freely, and its energy is limitless. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face now. Feel its golden energy surrounding your entire body. There is abundance all around you. Now understand this. There is also an abundance of opportunity, creativity, ideas, resources, love, support, and money available in this world. More than enough for everyone. More than enough for you. Money is not your identity. Money is a tool, a resource, a magnifier of good. The more money you have, the more good you can create for yourself, for your family, and for the people around you. Money can create freedom, experiences, opportunities, generosity, impact, peace, and stability. Money flows where value flows, where service flows, where energy flows. And right now, in this meditation, you are You are beginning to align your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, and your energy with unlimited abundance. Now, what is the exact amount of money you desire to see in your bank account? See it clearly in your mind right now. Imagining opening your bank app and seeing that number already there, already done, already yours. And for a moment, feel what that would feel like emotionally. What would change for you? What would that level of abundance feel like moving through your nervous system? What would it feel like for your business to thrive, for your bills to be handled with ease, for your family to feel safe and supported, for your future to feel truly secure? What good could you do in the world with greater abundance? Who could you help? What experiences could you finally create? Feel that deeply now, not just in your mind, but in every cell of your body. Now, I want to speak directly to your soul for a moment. You are worthy. Let me say that again. You are worthy. Whatever happened in your past, whatever mistakes you made, whatever fears you have been carrying, today is a new beginning. Today is a clean slate, and you are still worthy of growth, healing, peace, love, opportunity, joy, and abundance. You are a magnificent child of God, worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer, and it is flowing toward you right now. You do not need to punish yourself any longer. You are allowed to rise. You are allowed to prosper. You are allowed to experience financial abundance. Now flood your cells, your tissues, your organs, and your heart with the feeling of what your life could look like when abundance is already flowing into your reality. Place your awareness on your financial vision and feel as if it were already done. If you already had the abundance you desire, what thoughts would that version of you think today? Gratitude. What emotions would that version of you feel? Peace, confidence, relief, joy, freedom. What actions would that version of you take? How would they speak? How would they carry themselves? How would they show up for life? Who must you become today in order to align with the future you are dreaming of? Feel it now. Become it now. An abundant person does not live in constant fear, shame, scarcity, or self-doubt. So allow yourself to feel overflow right now. And now, gently bring to the surface the old beliefs around money that no longer serve you. Release the belief that money is evil. Release the belief that you must struggle forever. Release the belief that success is only for other people. Release the belief that wanting more makes you selfish. Release the belief that wealthy people are bad. Release the belief that you are behind in life. Release the belief that you are not capable. Release the belief that abundance is far away from you. Release the belief that you must work yourself into exhaustion just to deserve peace. You are allowed to prosper. You are allowed to grow. You are allowed to build a beautiful, expansive life. Ask yourself now, What beliefs must I release today? What stories must I rewrite? What fears must I finally let go of? Rewrite your relationship with money and abundance now. One more time. See the exact amount of money you desire in your bank account. Feel it emotionally. Experience it fully in your body. And say this with me now while picturing the money in your account. Say this: I am worthy. I create value. I am open to abundance. Again, I am worthy. I create value. I am open to abundance. Now feel those words land in your body. Let them settle into your bones, into your cells, into the fiber of your being. There is a future version of you already living with greater peace, abundance, freedom, and alignment. And every single day, you are becoming more like that person. You no longer need to chase money. You no longer need to chase abundance from a place of desperation, because abundance begins within first. You are learning to think differently, feel differently, act differently, and live differently. No more identifying with struggle. No more identifying with pain. No more identifying with lack. No more feeling unworthy. No more repeating the story that you are stuck. No more living in the shadow of constant fear. No more living in survival mode. Those old identities are dissolving now. Feel your future. Feel your vision. Feel gratitude and excitement and joy rising within you. Money carries energy, and today you are choosing thoughts, emotions, habits, gratitude, service, and aligned action that magnify abundance. Give thanks right now for every blessing already flowing into your life. Thank you. Thank you for the blessings that I have. Give thanks for the opportunities you cannot see yet. Thank you for the blessings I'm receiving. Give thanks for the doors opening silently behind the scenes on your behalf. Thank you. Ask your Creator for a sign today, a reminder that you are seen, that you are guided, that your future is already unfolding in your favor. Flood your body with this feeling of expansion and infinite possibility. Feel what it would feel like to breathe easier, to sleep peacefully, to give generously, to live freely and fully. You deserve peace. You deserve joy. Your family deserves peace. Your family deserves joy. And there is a part of you that has always known you were meant for more. Memorize this good feeling in your nervous system. Let your body become familiar with abundance. Let your heart become familiar with gratitude. Let your mind become familiar with possibility. This is your new state of being. And from this state, everything begins to change. May your steps be guided today. May wisdom lead you. May opportunities find you. May favor surround you on every side. And may you continue growing into the highest, most abundant version of yourself. Now, slowly, gently, bring your awareness back into the room. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Release it. Smile gently and feel gratitude for this moment, for this breath, for this new beginning. And when you are ready, slowly, gently open your eyes.